24th, 2017. This is Biostats Group 9, Lesson 13, Group Meeting Quiz. Okay, so we're going to skip 1 and 2 and go to question 3.
Mm-hmm.
Do we want to read the information, or are we good?
Yeah,
I think we're good.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay. What requirements must be checked when conducting a hypothesis test comparing two means with independent samples? Mark all that apply.
First and second.
Yep.
Everybody agree?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, question 4. The test statistic for a hypothesis test comparing two means with independent samples is a?
T-score.
Agree. Everyone agree?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Question 5. Two samples are independent if?
I think it's the second one.
Yep.
Yep.
Knowing which subjects will be in group 1 tells you nothing about which subjects will be in group 2. Everyone agree?
Yeah.
Okay.
The next 6 questions.
Somebody else want to read? Or do you want me to read?
It's just
I
gonna
got
take.
it.
Okay, that'd be great because it takes me a while to pull all this stuff up.
So this data represents a simple random sample of dental bills at a dentist office in Idaho Falls and a dentist office in Rexburg. Let mu1 be the mean bill at the Idaho Falls office and let mu2 be the mean bill at the Rexburg office. Perform a hypothesis test to determine if the mean bill at the Idaho Falls office is less than the mean bill at the Rexburg office. This means we will have a null hypothesis of mu1 equals mu2 and an alternative hypothesis of mu1 is less than mu2. Use a level of significance of 0.10. So what is the degrees of freedom?
36.996.
That's what I got as well.
Agree.
Hang on, I accidentally got into something. I don't know. Hey, dear, can you look at my computer and see what happened? Oh, wait, I got it. Never mind. Got it. I just poked some random button. Okay, so it's 21.
You okay, Elizabeth?
Just slower than you guys on the technology ones. Do you know, how do you clear out all the old data? Because I'm reusing the Excel sheet. Do you know how to clean out those numbers so I can put the new ones in?
I just highlight it and then right click and click clear contents.
Okay, hang on. That's really helpful. Hang on just a second. Okay. Okay, and then right click. Oh yeah, that was really nice. Okay, then let's. Okay, I'm back in the game. 37.996. Sorry, guys.
You're fine. Take your time.
Uh,
So are you guys good with question 7?
Yep.
So
What is the sample
206
sanity
points.
ratio?
206.637.
Yeah, that's what I got.
That's what I got.
Yep, me too.
So test statistic, I got negative 0.434.
Yep.
Agree.
And for the p-value, did you get 0.333?
Yep.
So that is greater than 0.1. So we are going to fail to reject, right?
Mm-hmm. Correct.
Do you want to read the next, Oscar?
Yeah,
Hang on,
yeah,
hang on,
sure.
hang on. I'm still catching up.
Oh,
Sorry.
Okay, okay.
It's
go.
okay. I just can't flip back and forth as fast as you guys can. 0.332. I'm on question 10, but I'm closing in on you.
Okay.
We're gonna.
I apologize, Elizabeth. I thought
No.
everybody.
It's okay. It's okay. You had every reason to say. I was just trying to. Up there. Question 11. I'm ready. Go, Oscar.
Okay, all right. So question 11 is, suppose instead of that you had used the alternative hypothesis where mu1 is not equal to mu2, what is the correct decision based on this evidence? So it's type of test, which is not equal to, and I chose, okay, I think it's the second one. We have insufficient evidence that the mean of density built between the two cities are different.
Yeah, I agree.
I agree.
Oh, great. And now we're switching data. Okay.
Okay.
Freshman dinner. Let's see. Okay, freshman dinner.
How are we all doing?
Well, I almost got mine pasted, which I realize is probably way behind everybody else.
Oh, you're totally fine. I just wasn't sure.
I just need to watch you guys use this program because I'm just so slow. Copy. Okay. Two sample t-test. In there. Ta-da! Okay. What is the first question? Oh, we just did the hypothesis. What is the alternative hypothesis?
I put the second one.
So it wanted to know difference.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me too.
And then
So for the test, why can't I say that? Statistic.
That's what
I got 0.845.
correct.
Cool.
Yep, that's what I got too.
All right, and then p-value of 0.411.
So you.
Is that not what you guys got?
No, it's just so in the problem over here he says the mu1 is Colorado, mu2 is Utah, but on the Excel spreadsheet it's actually the other way around. So I don't know. Should we just go with this?
They did switcho stuff like that in the homework too, as I recall.
Yeah. So do we need to switch the stuff out because if we switch it out, it's going to be a negative 0.845 for the test statistic.
Right.
Well, yeah, that'd be the only one that'd be different, though, right? Won't your p-value be the same?
Yeah, I think so.
That's a good catch, Oscar.
Yeah. Thank you.
No problem.
So what one was did you say was supposed to be variable 1? Colorado?
Yeah, it's basically the other way around. So the variable 1 is the Colorado. So the second column, and the variable 2 is the first column.
Okay. Cool. Thank you.
Oh.
So then the p-value stays the same. So are we on 15?
Yep.
So fail to reject this one as well?
Yes.
That's what I think.
So for the number 16, did you guys use the formula? You know, the t times the square root of s1 square over n1 plus s2 square over n2?
I haven't done that one yet, but Elizabeth, didn't you say for margin of error you can just take your confidence interval minus the
Plus minus divide by 2?
Yeah,
Can you repeat that?
Well, Oscar, did you get 3.68?
No, I didn't.
What did you get?
I got that. I got something wrong. I used the formula, and I was redoing the previous quiz, and I also got a mistake on that one. Can you tell me the formula that you're using for the margin of error?
Well, I didn't use the formula. I tried using the shortcut. But the formula is the t squared times sigma divided by the square root of n. But because this is a 2-sample test, it's going to be
No, what was the shortcut? What was the shortcut?
The shortcut is you just take your confidence interval and you find your mean. So your confidence interval, you take negative 2.4 214 plus the 5.147 and you divide it by 2. So your mean must have been,
Okay.
your center must have been 1.4665. And then I just subtract that center point from one of the ends. So I took 1.4665 minus 5.147, and that gave me 3.6805. You see what I'm doing? I'm just finding the center of the confidence interval, and then I'm subtracting the center from one of the edges, and that tells me the margin of error, because that's the distance between the center and the edge of your interval. That's what margin of error is. So I did it that way, but I'm going to feel really bad if I did it that way and we got it wrong. But that's what I'm going to put, and then hit submit and see what happens. How many decimals do they want?
Can you walk me through what you do again? So you find the center of the, to find the center of the confidence interval, you add the,
You take the average of the, yeah, you're basically taking the average of the interval, right?
okay.
And so once you take the average of the interval, you should have found that that averages to 1.4665.
Yep.
Okay, so then that number is your center of your interval. So then margin of error, you just take one of your intervals and you subtract 1.4665, and that should tell you the margin of error.
Okay.
Because margin of error is just the distance from the center to the edge of the interval.
So you're subtracting 1.4665
from 5.147.
Oh, okay.
From the edge of the interval. So when you subtract the center from the edge, you get the distance.
Mm-hmm. So you're not subtracting it from the negative 5.147. Or
negative 5? No. Well,
I don't know. I got one. My confidence intervals. One of them is negative 5.147, and the other one is 2.214.
Oh, because we did it backwards.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I forgot we did it backwards. Okay, hang on. I don't think it matters really bad. What was your, so your interval was negative 5.147?
Yes.
And then it was positive 2.214?
Yep.
Okay,
And,
so then when you average that, you still get...
That's what I got too.
Okay, but when you average that...
negative.
Okay, so when you average that, you got negative 1.4665?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, I kind of went the long way around, so I did it with the use of that formula, and I got the same interval, negative 1.467.
Okay, plus
I got
2.14 divided by 2 equals. Okay, and then you're going to subtract that from one of your edges. Minus 2.214.
So 0.747.
Are you answering 16?
The 16. The 9.
Okay, and what did you get?
0.747.
For the margin of error?
Yes.
I thought it was negative 1.467.
Wait. So no. Okay. Because I went and all right. So for the margin of error, it's just the negative 1.467, right? The thing that you get.
No. That's just step 1. So the 1.467 is your center of your interval.
Mm-hmm.
And then to find your margin of error, you have to subtract the center from one of the edges.
So I got 3.681.
Yeah, that's what I got. But maybe I should hit submit before we all try to learn my way in case I'm absolutely wrong.
Well, I was going to say the same thing about me because I'm not super happy with how I did on the quiz.
Wait, so
Okay,
did you subtract 1.467 from one of the edges, right? From either 2.214 or negative 5.147, right?
Yes, and you'll get 3.68.
Oscar, are you using a negative 1.4665? Because I wasn't putting a negative on it before, and I think I was getting the same answer.
Oh, okay. Yes, you're right. So it's 2.214 plus. Yes. My bad. 1.46. And 3.681. Is that the answer?
Oh, is it supposed to be 3 decimals? Dang it.
Yeah, 3.681.
Hmm.
So the lower bound would be our negative 5.147, right?
Mm-hmm.
And upper bound is...
Okay, so I hit submit and we got them all right. So Oscar, now that I'm confident that we got them all right, I'm happy to explain that again if you want.
No, I'm good. No, I think I'm good. So you just
Okay.
average the confidence intervals and then subtract the average from one of them, right?
Yep, that's exactly right.
Okay. All right. Yeah, and is that the same process that you do for the for the basically all of the problems of this kind, right?
Yeah, so anytime they're asking for margin of error and you have the confidence interval, that's all you ever have to do is find the center of the confidence interval and then subtract that center from one of the edges, because margin of error is the distance from the center to the edge of the interval.
All right.
By definition, that's what it is.
Thank you.
And it's sometimes simpler than the formula.
Elizabeth, can you tell me that again? So you find the center
of your confidence interval by just taking the average of the interval.
subtract from one of the edges.
Yeah, and then take that number and subtract it from one of the edges, and that will tell you the distance between the center and one of the edges, and that's what a margin of error is.
Guys, what did we get on 6? I think I must have typed it in wrong because I missed it.
37.996.
Oh, I hit the 6 instead of the 7. Okay.
So Elizabeth, the right answer on 16 is 3.681, correct?
Yeah, 3.681, that's correct.
Okay. And then on, okay, and we got the others on. We got negative 5.147 and 2.214.
Yeah, Oscar, I owe you a bucket of thanks for catching that they reversed those, because I went right past that.
Yeah, that happens. But
they did it
thank
in
you for the
homework, so I was worried they'd do it on here. Okay, you guys.
All right.
When's our next exam? Isn't that coming up soon?
Is it already?
I think so. I think it's coming up soon.
So it's,
I just thought somebody might know right off the bat. So our next group is on Saturday. Is everyone good for 7?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's see. Saturday I'm driving, but I think I'm done by then. But I'll email you if it's getting close.
Okay.
Hang on. Now you've got me worried about this exam. I'm looking group meeting, homework.
The exam is on starts on November 2 and ends on November 4.
Okay. So it's coming.
What? You're so right, Peggy. Thank you so much. November 2nd. Okay.
All right, you guys. Thanks for your help, Elizabeth, on that.
Right.
Helping me notice that I have a test. See you guys on Saturday.
Okay,
Bye.
guys, have a good rest of the night.
Okay, bye.